On some of these spigots on the pans, because of the firing process, it means that they're sometimes misshapen. The misshapen, you'll see sometimes there is an ovalness within the actual spigot. And because the spigot is shorter now, there's a chance of the WC connector actually coming off during the 6 litre flush and 6 kilo water weight. So it's important that you actually can try to make a secure joint within this area when it is misshapen, and you can feel it on this one. So we brought out a range of back to the wall pan connectors, which actually enables you, because of the softness of the connector, to connect to a misshapen pan. If it's heavily misshapen, you would use a silicone sealant, which would take up the variation in the taperedness of the inlet and make up the complete diameter. So we'd use a hybrid silicone like Maxseal to actually make up the differential actually in the diameter or any indentations which was in the ceramic. I'm purposely not going to do that today, because what it will do is that it will just basically make it lubricated when we're actually showing the joint being made. But if it needs it, it needs it. Normally in using this, you wouldn't need any silicone whatsoever. So you simply pop it on to the back of the WC pan spigot. This has got a worm clip, which you can see. So use your spanner to slacken it off and take it up to the rib actually on the pan connector. Slip it over that and tighten as you would normally do. Now this can be done with a screwdriver or a hose clip connector. And that's as tight as you can possibly need it, and that will give you a 100% watertight joint. You would only use the silicone where you have got a badly misshapen outlet. And when you have done it with the silicone, leave it until the silicone starts to cure before you make connection. This here will then go directly right into then soil into the service duct without any movement whatsoever. So it's another permutation in a vast range of McAlpine connectors. These also come in a 90-degree and also a longer flexible. And that's the back to the wall pan connector.